Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm seriously so excited to share this video with you guys. If you guys haven't noticed by the title, we are going to be sitting down making some bead VSCO girl bracelets. I'm seriously so excited. If you haven't seen my DIY bracelet video, I will insert a little clip of it right now. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make DIY bracelets. I have been selling these over on my Etsy for the past year and I get so many questions on how to make them, so I figured I'd make a DIY video for you guys to share how I make them. They are on my Etsy, which is listed down below in the description box in case you guys just want to check it out over there. But I thought this would be a fun DIY type video to share with you guys. That video has done so well on my channel and I'm seriously so grateful because a lot of you guys have found me through that video, which is so crazy. So just thank you so much for watching it and following along if you guys subscribe. But if you haven't subscribed yet, you should definitely hit that subscribe button along with the little bell next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload. But today we're going to sit down at my desk over there and make some bracelets. I'm seriously so excited. I'm going to be sharing all my tips and tricks with you guys on how I make them. But in that video I did share how to make them. This one's just going to be like a fun sit down chit chatty type video where we make bracelets together. I'm seriously so excited. It's like the perfect day for this because it's raining. It just feels like a fall day and I'm so excited. So the other day I went to Walmart and picked up some more beads. Got 2 packs of them. So these are the assorted pony beads by J.Crew. I bought them at Walmart, like I mentioned. I think they were like $12 a box. They're a little bit different than the boxes I have, so I'll show you the ones that I have already in my little bead drawer. But I picked this up because I ran out of the pink, but then I also saw this box and I'm so excited because I feel like these are like, no, I haven't even opened this one. But I thought these would be like the perfect fall colors for a fall bracelet line because I don't have any of these. I like how they're a little, like they're still shiny, but they're kind of, I don't know, like dark or kind of like, these are like glittery, sparkly, where they're just kind of more of like a solid color. So I'm seriously so excited. I'll show you guys the other beads that I have, but it's so simple. All you need is a box of beads. You can use any type of beads, some elastic string, which I'll show you guys mine. I'm almost out, but I think I have enough for this whole video, and then some letter beads, but you don't even need letter beads if you don't want them. But I just thought this would be a really fun video to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do, and we're gonna go set up to make some bracelets. So I'm sitting at my desk. I got like all the lighting figured out and everything, but I wanted to share with you guys one really helpful trick that I like to do before I start making bracelets. Is I like to write a list of ideas that I want to put onto the bracelet. So like I have all the little letter beads, so I like to write down what I'm going to make the letter beads spell out, and I find this really helpful, and I'll show you guys how I do it because I like to find all the beads first and then pick the colors for it, but you guys will see how I do that. So this is my little list that I made, and the ones that I thought would be really fun for fall are words like football, hello fall, boo, spooky, Halloween, gather, thankful, autumn, pumpkin, y'all, October, November, happy, yes, and chill. So I thought this would be really fun. These are going to be part of my fall bracelet line, and when I keep talking about my bracelet line, it's over on Etsy, which is listed down below. It's just at Kellyprepster Studio. I sell all my bracelets for $3, free shipping. You get a little handwritten letter with it as well. So in case you guys like these bracelets but don't want to make them yourself, definitely check it out. But I think they're so cute and they're really trendy, so it's been fun making them over the years for you guys. But we're just gonna get started. I'll show you guys my bead drawer real quick. Desk, it has 2 drawers in it. I want to do like an updated desk tour soon, but in this one I keep all of my bead supplies, so this might be a little overwhelming. So like I mentioned, I just bought this one and I have this already, but these cases are so different than what I have because mine come undone where this is attached, which is nice if you're traveling or something. But so mine would have like this lid, and I use this lid for measuring, which we're going to use in this video, and I like to set it right there. But so I just have all of these beads. Like I mentioned, I ran out of pink. I have all of my alphabet beads organized by letter. I really run out of A's and I's and E's really quickly, and then I ran out of little compartments, so these are just kind of sorted. And then I also have some really pretty pastel colors. These are finished bracelets that are on my Etsy. I have tape, I have my little scissors, and I have my elastic. I also bought this at Walmart. As you can tell, I've almost used all of it because this thing was filled when I bought it. And then I also have this little pack of beads. These are the circle ones. I personally am a bigger fan of the square ones, but I ran out of A's, so I did buy these occasionally. But this is what all the little letters come in, so these are just like multiple packs all organized that came in this. And then I just have like some friendship bracelets and stuff in here, so that's just kind of a hot mess. but this is what we're going to be working with, so we're going to need this. I like to set it right there, and let's just get started. What I'm going to do first is get all the letters of all of these and spell them out on this tray. So I'm just going to search through all my letters and pull them out and write them down, so that way I don't have to do it every single time. Kind of make it more of an assembly line style for making bracelets. Like I mentioned, this was the top of a tray that I bought. I bought this one off Amazon, but I like to use this as the length of the bracelet, but I'm also going to spell out my letters on here. So the first one I'm going to spell out is football. So I'm going to get an F, A, whoops, not A, O, 2 O's. Like that, and it spells out football, so I'm going to do that for every single word that's on my fall list. Okay, so we have y'all, October, pumpkin, thankful, gather, Halloween, spooky, hello, fall, and football all spelled out. I'm gonna do 2 more, so we have 10 bracelets. So now we are going to get started on making them. So what I'm going to do is put a little color bead next to all of them. So like this orange one, for example, that was in this one. Actually, I kind of think this one might be more fun. I don't know. I'm so indecisive. This is like the hardest part for me. But I'm going to put this like next to it. Like, ooh, I'm going to make this word gather. So I'm going to do that for all of them. I really want to use the new one that I just bought, because these colors just are so fun, and I feel like it's like new to me, so I haven't used any of them. I feel like this one would be perfect for football because it's like football, and we'll put a little white one next to it so it looks like a football, because you know how the footballs have that little, let's make it this color, let's make it this brown. They have the little white grippy thing. Hello fall. I feel like that should be like orange. Kind of like this one, the clear one. Pretty. And I like to put a bead in between any of the words. Spooky. I feel like this one's kind of spooky. This is the gray color. It's like a blue. Halloween. I feel like we should do like orange and black. Would that be fun? Because those are Halloween colors. So I'm going to go to this tray and use like the metallic orange and then put a black one in between it and make it a pattern. Gather. Do I want to? I think we're going to make gather yellow. I'm going to get rid of this orange. And we're going to make it this bold yellow. No, I'm feeling sparkly yellow. Thankful. Do you think this red would look good? I kind of like that. It's kind of fall. Pumpkin definitely has to be orange. Let's make it a glittery orange. Right? Boo. I kind of like this. And chill. I feel like I need to like use all my new colors. No. Should we make, no, I'm chill. I'm kind of getting like a metallic-y, maybe like a green. No. Goodness, you guys, this is so much harder than I thought it would be. Chill, we'll make it blue. Kind of like chilly outside. Y'all, I kind of want to make like a yellow. Make it this new yellow color. In October, I feel like I always associate certain colors with months, and I'm kind of feeling like orange would be fun, but I feel like I have a lot of orange bracelets so far that I want to spice it up for you guys. October, no. Maybe purple? Ooh, maybe purple for spooky. No, I like that one. No, I like that for boo. I really like this purple color though. I like this blue. Ooh, would gather look pretty purple? I like that. October, I'm still really not sure. I feel like we should do a sparkly one. Maybe sparkly. We already did sparkly orange. I'm gonna decide that one last, so we're gonna start making these. So if you guys haven't seen the video I mentioned earlier on how to make the bracelets, this is where it's gonna be helpful because I talk about how I cut the length and tie the knots and everything. So I'm just gonna do that and kind of make it like fast and everything. So if you haven't seen that, I will insert a just finished making all 10 of my bracelets. I'm going to clean up really quick and then I'm going to show you guys all of them and then we're going to vote in the comments which one is your favorite. So these are all the ones we just made. So this one is football. I added the extra little white. This one says thankful, Halloween. This is still my fave. And then pumpkin. We have October, hello fall, y'all, boo, spooky, gather, and chill. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comments down below, or if you would change any of the colors, which color would you make what. I do read and respond back to every single comment, and I love being able to chit chat with you guys about this kind of stuff. I think it's so much fun. So again, let me know in the comments down below, and if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button along with the little bell next to it so you can get notified the next time I upload. And if you guys are interested in any bracelets like this, you want a custom one or any of these, be sure to check out my Etsy. It's listed down below as well in the description box. There's a lot of good stuff going on in the description box, so be sure to check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this make bracelets video with me. I had so much fun filming it and making all these bracelets with you guys, and I hope it was helpful in case this is something you're interested in or just maybe like enjoyable to watch. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys!